Live from 42nd and 2nd, this is New York's very own PIX11 Morning News.
And a drone whizzing through the halls of the New York Public Library. This is so cool. We have video like you have never seen before.
Very cool indeed.
The New York Public Library releasing some really cool, dramatic new drone footage.
It is super cool. It gives a sneak peek of the library's first ever permanent exhibit, which is coming soon. Take a look at this. That footage shot by the New York City company SkyTech1. The exhibition of New York Public Library treasures features over 250 historic objects which span 4,000 years. That looks like a Spielberg movie or something, right?
It comes from the library's renowned research collections and explores subjects like the arts, classics, and children's literature. And this exhibition, I should say, is free, folks. So get your free tickets. Go check it out. It looks really cool.
It sure does. All right, never more than 10 minutes away from the weather and traffic.
So let's get to it. Meteorologist Byron Randall.
That library is beautiful,
right?
isn't it?
And just to see it from those angles, it makes you think, there's way more than just books at the library.
Oh, my God. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen such a beautiful library anywhere in the world.
Oh, indeed.
Right?
I mean, if nothing else, go and just check out the artistry and the architecture.
Absolutely.